Alright traders, I hope you guys did well today. We're all excited to be back. It's Money Monday for some people. Not for me today, but that's okay. I ate a lot this Thanksgiving. I really did. I had to set my scales back about 15 pounds. Honestly, I'm still at 170. Pretty happy with that. RSLS, this was a stock of the day. This one made its move pre-market. There was some speculation on whether this news was either old or new on it. Wasn't certain, but I knew that I was just going to be in and out on it. I took a quick loss, and I did do it. I cut my loss very quickly. Granted, TD Ameritrade took a while to even get me into this. This was the plan that I formulated in pre-market. I was looking to get in, around 205, 210. These areas of past resistance and support. I ended up having an entry at 206, cutting right below $2. So I was happy with it. Okay, I got an average of 206. This cracked $2. I was keeping my stop tight on this, but I didn't even get taken out until it started getting the bounce. The thing is, these stocks normally do crack those whole dollar levels of support, and resistance. Market makers tend to attract these stocks toward those areas. All right, I'm going to see what this is doing right here. How many shares do I have? 800. I have 800 shares. I'm going to see if this is going to pop back above $2 right here. If it doesn't, if it sells off, I'm out. If it sells off, I'm out. It's looking a little weak right here. Thing is, we went from 260, down to. All right, I'm out. I got to be out. So I lost $100 on that. That's my trade so far. That was my game plan. That was my game plan, and I said I'm going to buy the sell-off out of the gate, for the little bounce. And this one's just been selling off really, really heavily. So, I'm happy with the trade. It just didn't work out like I thought it was going to. I cut. It's a loser. This thing has been selling off. I really did suspect there was going to be the sell-off. I just expected there to be some sort of little bit of a bounce. I mean, the thing is down nearly $1 now. This is what happens in the stock market. You're not right every time. Even the best traders are only right, 60% of the time. The thing is, are you cutting your losses quickly? Are you allowing your winners to run, adding to your winners, and are you cutting your losers quickly? Predefining your risk and controlling, that risk management. You have to be in the driver's seat, and that's something I'm learning, while I'm paper trading. That I have to be in the driver's seat. I cannot allow my emotions to dictate my trades. Whereas in the past, I would have added as this thing's dropping. No, you can't do that. I have to accept that I'm wrong on this trade. What I thought was going to happen is not happening. Just get out of it. It hurts our ego and our pride to say those words, I'm wrong. We want to say, well, the market's just bad today, or the news came out a week ago during obesity week, or whatever. In order for growth, we have to take full responsibility for our losses. And I'm now completely realizing that. I understand I need to take control of not only my trading, but my losses, my successes, my failures. It's all on me. It's not on the market. It's not on anything else but me. And that'll allow me to grow. It'll allow me to learn from my losses, because now I'm not saying, well, that was the market, that it wasn't my fault. Since it was my fault, I can learn from it. Say, okay, how do I better myself for the next trade? RSLS, this is just dumping all the way back down to its prior close after going up a couple 100%. What I should have done on this was wait to see some consolidation. Is it gonna bounce? Are there any buyers coming in? Because after I got into it, I was realizing, watching the level 2 and tape, there's no buyers. This stock has absolutely no buyers on it. But I got in prematurely, not even waiting to see if buyers were going to come in or not. So don't just predict. I got to react to what the market's telling me. And guys, that's why on Monday sometimes it's best to just be patient. Because if you were in the live stream this morning, I said my two stocks that I'm watching are RSLS and any, because any is a former runner. It's a recent runner, and you always got to keep these recent runners on your watch list, because if RSLS doesn't get it, then the next stock's going to get it. If that one fades off, then the next one's going to get it, and that's exactly what I said this morning, that RSLS is most likely going to fade off. I'm going to try to play a little bounce on it. It did not even get one little bounce at all. And then volume's going to start fading off of that and going somewhere else. This is why we should have been patient and okay, what's going to open up? I'm not going to trade it because I missed the move. Also, it's coming up near tough resistance. If we look at the daily chart here, we see about 4 times now it's going to hit about 650. Now, this one could be a great play. If this has a daily breakout, This could really move. It's got a bull flag on the daily. It's got that daily resistance at around 650. If this does break that level and move, get to 750, 775, we could be seeing upwards of $10 and beyond. Alright guys, that's going to be my only trade just because I feel my emotions starting to take over a little bit. I want a revenge trade. I want to be green on the day. I don't want to post a red video. So I need to control those emotions. That's something I'm trying to learn right now. Control those emotions. Don't let those emotions control you. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.